Hi guys, it's me Yang. So at this moment I am preparing the things or mga gamit na dadalhin ko pauwi sa amin. So I will have 1 week or maybe 2 weeks vacation. Yung mga dadalhin kong gamit is mostly our gadgets only. Next is my tablet. Charger ng phone ko at ng tablet ko din. And this is the rest. It's just, I have here 2 cameras kasi yung isa iiwan ko sa bahay dahil my sister will gonna use it. And then this one, maybe I will use it for the vlog. I will try it. Some other stuffs. That's all. I think I will have 4 to, no, it's not 4. Maybe like 5 to 6 or 5 to 7 hours travel from here to my hometown. And we will need this. The pillow neck pillow, basta yun. So that our biyahe will be comfortable. This one, siguro hindi ko na kailangan dalhin kasi lalagay ko lang naman to sa leg ko. What's next? Wala na, yun lang. Yun lang yung mga dadalhin ko for today's uwian. Time check, it's already 4:30 a.m. and I'll be getting ready myself para pumunta sa terminal. Bye-bye. Bayad po yan.
Tabato na lang kata ma'am. Asan yung gaya?
Ano yan?
Na lang ha.
Thank you po.
Tabato mo? Batan, pikit.
Dali po.
Puro babae patero naman na ma'am.
Hindi po. Ouch. So guys, papasok tayo sa terminal. Ha?
Wala mayabo na.
Wala.
Nako pa din.
Dali po. No po. No po. No po. Jensen Marble po, non-stop. Thank you po. Magkano po tong tubig? Nakasakay na rin tayo. After 15 minutes of waiting, nakasakay tayo ng bus. Uwi na tayo ng bahay. Uwi na tayong bahay.
Welcome. Arvin.
Ikaw mo magpudiri ka?
Ayan po.
Kanal lang dili.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Magbili ka na?
Opo. Una lang.
Ikaw na bang?
Sige, sige na. Diyan ka lang.
May hindi ka maglilikang? Hindi. Dito ka masakay sa likod?
Oh, dali pa oh.
Madali, maglika ko. Tabangan ka dyan lang.
Ay, sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. So I'm here at Terminal sa Marvel, guys.
Pwedeng binuno siya din.
Lugar lang yan. Baka mahulog. Okay na po. Thank you po. After 8 hours of traveling, nakaabot na rin tayo sa daan papunta sa bahay. Hi! Hola! Kaninang puppy yan? They're kids. Hi! Say hi! Cute ng puppy nyo.
Ikaw na
Ulitin mo? Charla. Thank you. So while walking home, guys, I saw these kids with their cute puppies. Say hi. 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 So daan lang si ate dito. Okay, so this is so tiring, but yeah, malapit na ako sa bahay. I miss my home. I miss my cat. I miss my puppies. And of course, my mother dear, my father dear, and my sister dear. Kapagod. Bigat pa ng mga dala ko. Pakpak. Pero guys, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Malapit na tayo sa house. Pagod na ako. Wala pang tulog. Bawi ako sleep mamaya to. You know what? Don't mind my face if grabe na yung sweat ng face ko. Kasi mainit, and then my two hands is very busy. One is handling this and the other one is holding the camera. Just listen to my hiningal, guys. Nangangalay na yung kamay ko. Both of my hands. This one and the one that holding the camera. I'm so tired na talaga. Ikaw ba naman, ilang days, ilang taon, ilang years ka na sa city? You don't do as much, you don't do walking as much as here? Kasi if you want to go somewhere there, you just need to ride jeep, tricycle, or what? But here, you need to walk. Kasi there's no walang dito, sasakyan. Look at what this banana leaves did to my neck. Arte naman. Yes! I can be out of character here, guys, because wala lang tao. Also here, I'm so free here. Oh my gosh. And also, umuwi ako ng bahay. I just told my mom na uwi ako next week. But I didn't tell her, kung when na day, specific day. So, is this considered surprise? I guess so. Charing. Masakit na yung paa ko. Nag-shoes kasi ako for the first time again. Because I don't wear shoes anymore. I always wear my Crocs. Kasi mas komportable, and then madali lang. Ito kasi tinatamad ako mag-shoelace. Baka ano. You know, guys, here I can do anything I want because kasi pag sa city ka, hindi ka makapag-ingay ng gusto mo. Tapos lang, hindi pa ako sanay mag-vlog in public. Kasi pag nasa public ka, you need to tone down your voice. Not just your voice, pati rin yung attitude. But then, here I can... I didn't do an outfit check. Outfit check. I saw my dog, guys. One of my dogs. And hindi pa niya ako nakita. There. Oh, umalis na siya. Anything else? Let's do an outfit check. Dito. Pangit naman dito ang background. Gusto kong gulatin pati yung mga aso. Because I'm sure those dogs missing me. They're missing me also. And that is one of our cow. Say hi. Say moo. Charing. Pagod na ako. Let's do an outfit check. In landscape lang. Wait. Yeah. Wow. Taran. This is my shoes. And nothing. Let's call the dogs. Let's call the dogs, guys. I'm so excited. Pag nakita nila ako, I really love the reactions. Puppy! Lumabas na yung fave dog ko. Yan, narinig nila ako. He doesn't know me. Ano ba yan? Sige, kagatin niyo ako. He ran away. Dada! Oh, diba? Kilala niya yung ano niya. Ano to? You don't know me? Takot siya. Why don't you know me? Bahala ka na. Let's see. I think my mom. Kita na nila ko. Do, di mo ko kilala. Do, di mo kilala. I thought you don't know me. Okay, let's go home. I'm home. Alright. Do you wanna build a snowman? Kayo lang dito? Say hi!
Tingnan mo yung kalat ng mga kamag-anak mo. Ayan. Ako lang magliligpit.